Do you know how the gearbox gears are processed? Firstly, let's understand the materials of the reducer gears. The materials commonly used for reducer gears include carbon steel, alloy steel, cast iron, bronze, and plastic. Carbon and alloy steel gears with high strength, hardness, and wear resistance are suitable for high loads and high speeds. Cast iron gears are widely used in all kinds of reducers because of their lightweight and good anti-vibration performance. Bronze gears have good anti-wear performance for high-speed, high-precision transmission occasions. Plastic gears are used in some specific applications due to their low noise, low friction coefficient, lightweight, and other advantages. Next, let's talk about the gear heat treatment process. The heat treatment process of gears mainly includes the following types. Tempering treatment. By adjusting the chemical composition of the steel and heat treatment conditions, the gear has high strength, high hardness, and good toughness. Tempering treatment usually includes quenching and tempering to stages, surface hardening treatment, through heating and rapid cooling to make the gear surface with high hardness and wear resistance and the heart to maintain good toughness. Surface hardening treatment has carburizing, nitriding, cyaniding, and other methods. Tooth lubrication treatment through the formation of a thin film on the tooth surface to reduce friction and wear in the gear transmission process. Common lubrication treatment has spray lubricant, phosphatization, etc. Finally, let's introduce the gear machining process. Gear machining mainly has the following steps. Blank preparation. According to the size and material of the gear, prepare the corresponding blank. Gear shape processing. Gear hobbing machine. Gear shaping machine and other equipment in accordance with the design of the gear shape processing. Gear precision inspection. Check the precision of gears through the gear tooth shape, tooth direction, radial runout, and other parameters. Gear assembly, assembling the process gears with other parts of the reducer to ensure the smoothness and reliability of gear transmission.